In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Thrustmaster T80 on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Thrustmaster T80 is an officially licensed PlayStation product, meaning that you will be able to use it natively within many titles available for the PlayStation 5 library. And all that you have to do to set up your Thrustmaster T80 with your PlayStation 5 is to connect it and configure the controls inside of the game. So to actually connect it, plug in the USB cables needed. So usually, if you look at the back of your console or even on the front, depending on the model, you will be able to find plenty of USB ports available. So connect the USB cable from the T80 to your PlayStation 5. You also have to ensure that the pedals are securely attached to the wheelbase and properly connected and detected. So once this is done and the steering wheel has been connected to one of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 5, you are basically good to go. To my knowledge, you don't have to go over to the settings inside of your actual PlayStation 5 to customize the wheel. Just open any game or title that you would like to use the Thrustmaster T80 on, and you will be able to use it inside of the game. So on the in-game settings, when you launch a compatible game, you will be able to look for options related to steering wheels and pedals. You will be able to customize the sensitivity, dead zones, and button mapping to match your preferred playstyle. And then you will be able to practice, drive around the game to get a feel for the wheels and the pedals, and make adjustments. Keep in mind that if you don't see the option to use a steering wheel in a specific game, even though you are able to drive around, then sadly there's nothing that you can do. One example would be GTA 5, where even though you are able to drive around, you will not be able to use the Thrustmaster T80 on vehicles. But most games that have a genre related to racing or driving will allow you to customize it and use the steering wheel natively. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Thrustmaster T80 on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!